Hi, in today's tutorial I'm going to show you how to sort by date on the Excel application. So first of all, of course, all you need to do, just go and open the Excel application if you already have it on your PC. So if you have it, this will be great, but if you don't, you'll have to go and download this through Microsoft Store or any browser you are currently using. So of course, you will not just go and download just the Excel application. You'll have to download the whole Office pack because and of course it include like the Excel app because you cannot just download the Excel alone. So once you and make be careful, those are paid apps, the Office apps. So first of all, you would like to open the application if you already have it, or if you just download this, and normally this is going to be your home screen or your main screen, and you would like to log in into your account if you have one. And of course, if you don't have an account, just go and create your account, then log in into it. But you'll have to activate it, which is going to be paid, which is going to mean paid. And of course here you can just go and click at new to start a blank workbook, or you can just choose some of their templates here, or just go and open something if you have it downloaded in or not downloaded, maybe just saved into your PC. You can It's going to be like, it could be like sheets, a Google Sheets file, or even Excel file, so you can open it up. For me, I'm just going to open a new blank workbook, and as we said, we would like to sort by date. So of course, if you modified like this today and maybe this tomorrow, and I don't know, maybe this at the moment, you can actually sort them by date. So how can you actually do that? So first of all, just go and select it, of course, right click, and as you can see, you will find the sort option. Here you will not find date, so you can just go and click at custom sort, and make sure here to go to the sort on and cell val not sorry, not this, go here to order, and here you would like to click at the custom list. So here you can choose to create a new list. Of course, it could be like depending from which day, which is Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Thursday, and Friday and Saturday. Or it could be like those same days but fully right. And of course there's the not fully right months and the fully right month. So choose whatever you want to add, and of course you would like just to select OK. And of course you can just go, as we said, add a new list, then make sure to, and of course now you can just go and select if you want like the days, as we said, or the month. Just go and click on whatever you want, you can click at enter, and you click at OK, and that should be sorted on the days that you actually modified them. So this will be actually for this tutorial. I hope you like it. Thank you guys for watching, and goodbye.